Hello all of you, welcome to our new video on Microsoft Excel. Today's function is average function. In previous videos we have seen how to do the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of values in Excel. So today we will see how to use average function. Again, as usual, we will have certain set of values, say this much, and I want the result in this cell, that is C9. So I will write is equal to, once I start writing average, you can see here there will be an average function popping up here. So select that average, into bracket, select the cells of how much numbers you want the average. Close the bracket and you will find that the average is 5. So how to find out whether this answer is correct? So I can say here I will do the sum of all these values first. So I get 35. The sum is 35. So how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 35 divided by 7, I get it as 5. So you can see the answer of average is 5. In this way we can use the average function. Now in next case, suppose I require the average of only these first 3 values, and then I don't require this 5 value, I require 6 and 7. So I will hold the control button and then select these 6 and 7 values and then close the bracket. So the value becomes 4.4. So see, 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 6 is 11, 11 plus 7 is 18. So if you get 18 divided by number of cells are 4, so you can get this value as 4.5. So here you can see you will get this as 4.4 because it is taking the lower decimal. Here in the answer you will come as higher decimal. You can adjust this in these terms like this by changing the decimal. So in this way we can find out the value of averages. In next case, suppose if I require the average of all these values like this, then I require another certain number, so which will be suppose 6. So I will write comma 6, close the bracket, and it will become as 3.75. So how this value has come? See, 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 6, which we have added as 6, so it becomes 15, and then it will take the value of average in the calculation. So here you will see 15 divided by 4, you will get it as 3.75, which is our answer. So in this way you can use the average function in Microsoft Excel. Thank you all of you.